G'day everyone, Paul Stoner, CEO Biggin and Scott. I'm joined by Matt Marshall from our Aspendale office for the June wrap-up.
Yes, we are. What a big quarter it's been, and we've had some great results. So looking forward to starting to have a chat and give you the wrap up.
So end of financial year, the first half's been strong. Stock's been a problem, obviously.
Yeah.
But any standouts in the month of June?
Well, we had a couple of good standouts. Not so much just the month of June, but one in June, one in May. We had a couple of houses that we had some fantastic results, and not just for us as agents to beat our chest about, but for the owners, really genuine owners with great intentions to sell and move on to other things and other stages of their life. So we had one great property in particular, which was in Viewbank Court in Aspendale. Now, the property was purchased back in 1999 for $260,000, and we just sold that for $870,000. So nice story for them, and a good picture of capital growth in.
They're staying in the area?
In Aspendale. They're moving down the coast, so having a bit of a sea change.
Very nice.
Yeah. And another really beautiful house that we sold in Fraser Avenue in Edithvale back in May. Now, the property was purchased through us about 3 years ago for mid-sixes, and we just sold that for high sevens. So great result again, and again, just really good tales of strong capital growth in our area.
Yeah, well, that's the case across the board. Everything's very strong. What about total number of sales? I know stock's been low throughout the area, so
very low. We spoke in the last, in the first quarter update that we did for the year, that stock levels were low, and it's continued with that theme throughout this quarter as well. So stock levels are very low. Through the month of May and June, wasn't a lot of new properties entering the market, and so when the new ones were coming up on the market, they're selling very quickly.
And demand, where's demand been generally across the board?
Demand's been really strong still for the family home. So that was the trend that we spoke about in the last update. Has continued in this update as well. So any of the family homes that we're getting, 3, 4, 5 bedroom homes selling very well.
5 bedrooms, that'd be nice.
That'd be nice.
And what are you expecting for July?
July, I think we're going to see a little bit more of the same.
Yep.
Low stock numbers, although we have listed very well. We've got a lot of auctions booked in for August and September already. So we have,
It's early.
So people getting in, wanting to capitalise on getting in before, I think a long weekend at the end of September for grand final. I think we have a long weekend now. So people wanting to get in, organise all those bits and pieces ready to go. But so another 2 or 3 weeks, you'll see quite a bit more stock coming on the market.
Property management side of things?
Brilliant. Again, family homes, can't get enough of them.
Amazing.
Really having trouble keeping up with the demand for them, and even the turnover. We're getting tenants moving out on Monday, new tenants moving in on Friday, and really wanting them, the next day if they can. So turnover's very fast. And
as you said, demand's right across the board. So from your one-bedder apartments right through.
Yeah.
So it's a popular area to live, isn't it?
Extraordinary, Just come from there. It's wind chill's about 5 degrees, coming straight in off the beach. So a little chilly down there today, but it's a beautiful part of the world and a great spot to live.
So talking about end of financial year, we've had the first 2 quarters were extremely strong. We're expecting it to stay strong in this third quarter. Interest rates should stay low. Demand just hasn't changed. It's extremely high. The trick now is getting registered on these guys' database or on databases in general, because I spoke to you yesterday. You said off-market.
Off-market.
Been the pressure.
Yeah, we didn't touch on that, but off-market sales have been really strong as well. So selling properties that have come on the market, selling them to the first buyer that's walked in the door. So we've met with the owners, we've signed the agreement, we've mentioned it to some buyers, we've taken one in and gotten very, really strong results very quickly off the market. So for the buyers out there wanting to get into the market, get a piece of these off-market deals, you really need to come forward, let us know. We'll pop you on the database, we'll email those opportunities when they come up, and you've really got to capitalise on them quickly when they come up.
Yeah, and that's the way to get in early. That's being in the know. Other than that, as we say in all of our newsletters every week, just make sure you've got your research up to date and you've got a strategy and you're ready to take action. The people that take action at the moment, they're the ones that are winning.
Well, you've really got to do your research, because the owners are happy to sell the properties for the right price even before they go on the market. Right. But if you come in with an uneducated sort of view of the market and thinking you might be able to get it for a bit of a bargain because it's off the market, it's not generally the case. But for the buyers that are well educated, well researched, know the prices, come in with good offers, we'll get the properties.
Yep. So your prediction at this stage is things will start to pick up, as in availability of properties towards the end of July?
Yeah, end of July.
Yep.
Yeah, end of July with auctions booked all the way through August and creeping into September. So the next 2 to 3 weeks will be nice and busy.
All right, mate. Fantastic. That's it for June. We'll see you in July. We're started July now, school holidays.
Yeah.
It'll stay slightly slow for the next week and a bit.
That's right.
Then it's all guns blazing, I think.
That's it. Back to the hard yakka.
Cheers, everyone.
Thanks.